Folks, we're working on a Honda, what is this thing, a CRV. We got a bad glare here today. Anyhow, this right here on the door is, it is some scratches running all the way down to the fender. Pretty easy to repair this, to be honest. Any flunky can do this. It's not that hard. You might want to try this at home even. Let's get you a good buffer and go at it. It's not very deep. Something like this is on the surface. It's real easy to fix. But anyway, just be careful if you do it yourself. Don't over buff. Don't like it's coming out. Stop. Yeah, I'll post a second video here in a little bit with the results. Okay, the CRV is done. Again, I apologize for the glare, but I had to turn it towards the sun. But the scratch came out real easy, not that hard. Like I said, if you're a beginner, you gotta have a. When I said a beginner could do this, you gotta have a buffing pad, and that's a soft pad that I use for the final buff. And you need a wool pad and a hard pad, and some different compounds. If you don't have that, then a beginner can't do it. So you gotta have that, and just be careful. Go slow. And these surface scratches are real easy to get out. Don't let them intimidate you, but don't overdo it. For God's sakes, don't overdo it. If it's not coming out, stop. Something's wrong. It's either too deep or you're not doing something right. Before you damage your paint, stop. All right, on to the next one.